salad, avocado, and shrimp. Yeah. Lunch tayo, guys. Good afternoon. Yan, shrimp, fresh and fresh vegetable. Ayun, kaya ang salata. Ayos na ubos. That's 60. Guys.
Well, that looks like they're cooking exactly like you like, darling, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. God bless. And guys, ubos. Thank you. And God bless. Bye. That's for you.